I'm not trying to play myself. Baby girl was ripping, not stretching out. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing my Zara haul. Y'all, I literally filmed this video like 3 times. I'm not even lying, 3 times. I'm gonna just try the clothes on. I'm also gonna try to link everything that I got down below. I know it's like way overdue, so most of the stuff might be sold out, but I am gonna have a giveaway at the end of the video or in the middle somewhere. Once you watch a video, you're gonna find the giveaway and the information. I am 5'2.5". I weigh like 158 pounds, give or take. Sometimes I weigh 160, just depends. Most of the things that I got for my tops are a size medium. Some of them are a large, but everything that I got for my bottoms are a large. My inches are like a 43 or 44. My waist is probably like a 32, I think. And then my bust is probably like a 36. I cannot find my measuring tape, or I would measure myself. I'm gonna try to look for it a little bit later, and I'm going to put the information down below so you guys can check that out. First thing that I got from Zara is this skirt. I'm going to tilt the camera down a little bit so you guys can see what it looks like and where it stops on me. So my head is kind of cut off, but this is the skirt. This is how it looks. It has this flower detail. There's this nice slit and a little bit of ruching right here. It's giving me very classy, even though it's showing a little bit of leg. It is giving me classy. I did get this in a size large, and it fits very comfortably. It has a little bit of space right here. It does not have any stretch, so make sure you're getting your correct size. It has an underslip, a very short underslip right here, so you will not be seeing any panty lines or panties underneath your skirt. I feel like this is a nice skirt, especially like for church. If you want to do up your church outfit a little bit, this is a nice one to choose. This is how it looks in the back. It looks nice and cute. This is also a nice summer skirt. The material is more of like a chiffon type of material, and it has a waffle texture detail going on. The top that I'm wearing is just my bralette from Calvin Klein, but this is the skirt. This is how it looks. What I would do, I would pair the skirt with this top. This is a crop top I got from Zara as well. It's more of a cream crop top. I did get this in a size medium. It was $34.90. This is giving me luxury vibes. This is like high quality. It has some weight to it. So if you guys watch my video, you already know I wore this outfit together because I intended to get this skirt to wear with this top, but you can also wear this skirt with any other top. Any nude tone top, any white tops, neutrals would look good with this skirt. Let me put it on so you guys can see how it looks. It's kind of oversized, so you can go down some if you want to, but I feel like the oversized effect is making it even cuter, especially for the summertime. You can wear it like this with an undershirt and just have it like, you know, be like a little cover up type thing, or you can just go ahead and button it up. I do recommend wearing an under top, just because if you're not, you're gonna see your boobs, because sometimes it would like ride up like this and you can see your under boob area. And this is the size medium. It looks really cute. This is it in the back. The back is a little lower than the front, but I like that style. Sorry if the lighting is going in and out. I really apologize, but this is how this one is looking. So the next 2 items are this white tank top, and I got this also in a nude color and a black color. It's a very nice thick material, so I love that. I'm not wearing a bra right now, just to show you guys. It's actually holding my boobs up, so I really like that. So I recommend that you get this top in all the colors because it's super cute and thick. Okay, so I got the pants in a size US 10. I'm gonna just insert a clip of the jeans because it's not really working out for me, but I got these jeans. They're the vintage jeans, and I got them in a size US size 10. This is how it looks. I'm gonna put another clip so you guys can see it a little bit better because I believe that is showing up dark. Okay, so this one is the same top like the white one that I showed you previously. I'm gonna have a video up here. Also got the black vintage jeans. These ones fit a little bit tighter and a little bit smaller. They're both a size 10, so this one is a size US 10 as well. So I don't know why it fits like that, but it's a little bit tighter, but I still like both of them equally. They have a thick material, so it's very high quality, worth the $40. And I love these. You already know this is the same vest as before. It's very thick, and I got it in a medium so it can like hold my titties up and not have it sagging. So I really like these. I recommend that you guys get them in every size. Okay, And then I got this top. I'm gonna also have a video up here on the side so you guys can see it. This top is probably my favorite thing out of this haul, just because it's giving like more of a boho type of vibes, and that's really my vibes. I like a very chill, tropical type of vibes, very calm. So this is the type of vibes that this is giving. I also got the denim pants, and I got these in a size 10 as well. I did cut them because they were a little bit too long for me, just because I'm 5'2.5". So I did cut the pants, but it looked nice together like this. So okay guys, I'm gonna put up another little area right here of me trying on the top so you can see how I styled it with these shoes from ASOS. Make sure you check out my collective haul so you can see the shoes and like some shoes that I got. Let me know if you like collective hauls so I could keep bringing them to you, because I did get some more stuff I want to show you guys. So yeah, so this is their Pope line shirt, and this was $49.95 and $49.90, and I did get it in a size large or extra large. I'm gonna have the size down below as well. So I did get this in a size, let me tell you, I got it in a size large. Okay, so I got this in a size large, and it's really cute. I will have to wear some shorts underneath just because it's not as long as to make me, I mean it's long, don't get me wrong, it's long and it's covering my butt and everything, but it's not as long for me to be comfortable wearing it outside just like this. So I am gonna wear some black shorts with it, and that will be super cute. Am I the only one that noticed that Zara is literally ripping us off in America? They literally, the price is like so high in America, but it's not as high in England. Tell me if I'm the only person that realized that. And Zara is actually a Chinese company, but I digress. Anyways, I'm not wearing a bra, so my boobs are like all the way down to the floor. This one is so freaking pretty. It's like a waffle defect. It's giving me very much bossy work girl vibes. It's giving me I'm different than all my other colleagues vibes. Okay, so I'm gonna have a video footage up here showing you guys how this looked. I did get the top in a size medium, so it fits really well, and I got the bottoms in a size large. Like I told you, I got all my bottoms in a size large because guys, I cannot trust to get a medium. Like that's crazy. So yeah, this looked really good, and I did pair it with some ASOS heels. Check out ASOS because ASOS has been killing the summer heel trend. Okay, I'm sorry if you can hear my fan. It's so hot that my wig started lifting up, so I turned the fan on, but this is how it's looking. And this hair is the hair that I wore from my best natural curly hair video. This is so pretty. This is giving very much summer vibes, and it's lifting up and you can't even tell. I do love this. The material is more of like a waffle type of material. As you can see, you do not want to iron this material because it's not meant to be ironed. This is like a vibe. It's giving very much luxury, so leave it like this. Don't iron it, okay? This top is so beautiful, so pretty. I did end up getting it in a size large just because the material is not stretchy and I have to pull it over my head, so I'm not trying to play myself and pull this shit over my head and have it rip. Actually, I did get it in a size medium, and I end up having to go back to the store and get it exchanged just because baby girl was ripping when I was putting it on my head. I do recommend that you size up with this top just because it's more of like a not stretchy at all. So don't play yourself. Size up in this top. If you're gonna get this top, size up, okay? I recommend it 10 out of 10 for the summertime, so you should get this top. You can see how I'm shining. This is to tell you how it's very hot in my room. But right here I'm gonna show you it paired with the skirt. The skirt I got in a large as well. You do want to, I would say size up because the large is kind of fitting, like it's pushing the limits a little bit, okay? So I could go with an extra large for the skirt, but still the large worked out. So I do recommend that you size up in the skirt and the top because it's very like sturdy material. Like the material is not budging. It probably budged like a 1%. So size up in the skirt. Both top and skirt I got in a large, okay? And I could have went up a size. Okay guys, and since this is probably my favorite outfit and it's so freaking cute, I'm gonna go ahead and announce my giveaway details. So the giveaway is $100 Zara gift card. It's right in here. So I will send you a picture. I will scratch it and send you a picture of the gift card, and this will be your prize. All you have to do is make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at Mamiistropic and follow my Tropic Touches page for a bonus. Also, I want you to tell me down below what was the reason that you subscribed to me and what is your favorite thing about me so far, because I want y'all to boost my head. Anyways, I want you guys to do that and make sure you find the keyword. I will have the keyword pop somewhere in the video, so make sure you watch the whole video so you can find the keyword and screenshot you subscribe to me, screenshot that you are following me on my 2 Instagrams, and make sure that you message me the keyword. So make sure you do those 4 things, and make sure that you comment here and put your Instagram next to your comments so I know who you are when you message me on Instagram, and that's how I'm gonna know. Don't forget to put the keyword, because the keyword is gonna seal the whole giveaway. I hope you guys understand that, and thank you guys so much for supporting me. I appreciate you guys so much. No, like seriously, without you guys I literally wouldn't get the motivation to even post anything. If you guys don't watch my videos how you do and support me mad heavy, like that would be making me want to post even more. So I really appreciate that, and I'm trying to come with more videos and stuff to make you guys entertained. So yeah, thank you guys so much for supporting me, and this is the giveaway item. I'm gonna announce the winner in 5 days from the day that I post this video, so make sure you stay tuned to my Instagram. I'm gonna post it on my story, the winner, and yeah, this is the giveaway thing. $100 Zara gift card, okay? And this is my hard working money, so make sure it's somebody that supports me. Even if you're new, just show me some love, like some of my videos, comment on my videos so I know that you're active, and you're gonna win the gift card, okay? And then the next thing that I got is this Zara dress. I noticed that they have another color that is so pretty, and I really want to get it. It's kind of like this one, but it's more of like a tropical, brighter, lemony type of color. Is so freaking beautiful, and I believe it's a little bit longer too, so I definitely want to get it. I'm gonna put up a video up here so you guys can see the full length of this dress. It's so pretty. I got it in a size large, and it fits very comfortably. I've realized that I should stop playing myself and acting like I'm so small and getting small clothes, and just get my right size, okay, which is a size large. So I got this in a size large. It's fitting very beautiful, and it's giving a very classy vibe to it. I feel like it's giving me more of like a grown woman vibe, and I feel like I'm going for more of a classy grown woman vibe. Now that I'm 23, I feel so grown. So yeah, this is the dress. Super beautiful. I recommend it to all women that are trying to up their classy game. A satin silky type of dress is really beautiful. It has a nice slit and a couple buttons, giving you a nice silhouette and everything like that. You can also wear it with your waist shapers. I don't even wear waist shapers because, like I told you guys before, I do not care what people think about my stomach, okay? Yeah, this is so freaking pretty. I don't even waist train anymore, like, exactly. Well, I also wanted to show you guys this skirt that I got. I have it in my closet, and I don't feel like digging up the closet right now, but it's so pretty. It's like a frilly type of skirt. I feel like this is giving very much Hawaiian vibes. You can dress it up, dress it down. You can dress it up with like a little bit of accessories, with a nice sleek bodysuit, with a long sleeve bodysuit. That would be super pretty. And some like black heels. Gorgeous. Or you can just wear it how I wore it, with some black sandals or some gold sandals with some gold jewelry, and that would be so pretty because it has some gold like detail on the skirt itself. So that's how it looks, and yeah, that's basically the haul. I'm gonna also show you guys what the nude tank top looks like with the pants, and that's the combo. So yeah, thank you guys so much for checking out my channel. Do not forget to enter the giveaway. It does end in 5 days from the day that I post this video. It's a $100 Zara gift card. So thank you guys so much for supporting me, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye.